In this video, I will show you how to use the flashcards to create learning activities for the students. Open the Teach module, and from here you can find the new flashcards option for the students. Choose the new flashcards, and in here you can add your own materials, or you can insert the text what you want to use as learning material for the students. After you have inserted the text, you can choose what kind of a learning activities you would like to have from that material. After you have chosen, you can generate the learning materials. It will take a few seconds to create you the material. When the material has been created, you can go through the questions and you can still modify all of the options what you have there. Or if needed, you can also add your own questions. After you're okay on that one, you can even practice that one and see how it's going to be looking like for the students. After you have tested and seen that everything is working as you like to, you can generate the learning material and learning activities. When it's created, you can open it from here and see how it's going to be looking like for the students.